Behind me is my 1988 Suzuki SJ413, or Samurai as it's known in some markets. And in this video, I'm going to show you close up what it's like. Now, it doesn't know it does it, but every time I drive this little thing, it puts a smile on my face. I've had this Suzuki for about 3 years now. I bought it from my dad, who's had it for almost a decade and a half. And he bought it from friends of ours who bought it new in the Free State in '88. The reason why I'm out here driving this afternoon is 2 days from now I'm going to run my first 50-miler mountain ultra. And I've never done anything close to that. I think I'm prepared. I'm pretty nervous at the moment, and I thought I have to get out. And what better way to calm your nerves than driving this old thing? Now, not all old cars has that effect on you, and some actually has quite the opposite effect. But this little Japanese Suzuki, it just always delivers. So it's super dirty at the moment. I didn't clean it. I've got the rear canopy removed. Takes 1 minute, 2 pairs of hands. I still also have the canvas cover. I'll feature all of that in a separate video sometime. But it's so nice. This is almost like a little pickup now. So tailgate opens, and there you have a little load bay, and under this canvas it's exactly like a pickup. You've got your drain plugs there. This is just a foot mat, and then it can convert into a 4-seater like that. You can see there's some seams that has come loose in the canvas. I'll fix that at some point. And then these wooden things have rotten out, so I'll get some similar vinyl to this and then just make new boards there. That can of water there is actually drinking water. And I put this in here in case there's a leak. I've never used it apart from drinking it because there's no aircon. Okay, let's go to the other side from the sun. The biggest issue with this thing is the faded clear coat on the bonnet. That's almost all that needs fixing, and obviously a wash. Everything else is still original and it works like it should. It's got freewheel hubs, so currently it's locked. I played about a bit in the dirt 2 weekends ago. So it's got low range, 4 high and 4 low, and obviously 2 high. This spare wheel here at the back, sorry I'm jumping around because I didn't plan this at all, but this is the original Dunlop, and I'm not going to show it now, but I looked and it's from 1987 and it's made in Japan. So this is the original spare wheel that came with the car. It's never been used. Well, actually we did use it once about 15 years ago on a bike trip when this was our backup vehicle. But we put it back there, and that was the only time that I know of that it's been used. Another thing that's wrong with it is these stickers are flaking off. So let's look inside. You probably won't be able to see the kilometers properly. 61,659. Now it's probably clocked once, I don't think twice. But super basic. The radio doesn't work. There's no power to it. I've seen the wire dangling, but I'm going to convert this to a Bluetooth radio. It'll look the same, but it'll play Bluetooth from your phone. The cubbyhole sometimes falls open because it's loose there at the bottom. Bonnet releases in there. Door cards are still perfect, and even the seats are still perfect underneath there. There's your tire pressures, currently running at 140 kPa or 1.4 bar, so it's quite flat because it's so light. So look how clean that still is. Well, it's obviously dirty, but it's not damaged. There's the oil specifications, when you clean the air cleaner, when you need to replace the oil and the oil filter, spark plugs. I mean, what modern car has that on it? And I don't know what that is. But so simple. Even this pipe here, to heat it up, you can switch it there to heat the air that goes into the carburetor in cold starts. Obviously we never use that here where I live. The choke actually doesn't work. It's been disconnected. It's a water choke. They don't make those anymore, the components. So it starts fine even now in winter. There's the jack. Look, that oil filter is so easily accessible. Little 1300 Suzuki. It's got 5 gears and maximum speed is in 4th gear. If you put it in 5th, doesn't have enough power to keep going. It actually loses speed then. And that sticking out there are leaf springs. So it's got 4 leaf springs, 1 at each corner, and a solid front axle. Please comment below if you know of anything that is more fun than this, or that'll make you smile more than this. I'd love to know if there's anything available for my next car. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get any comments. Brain's obviously not working anymore because I didn't actually hit record when I filmed the end of this video, but that is the end. So thank you for watching this far. Condolences, and I appreciate it. And please comment below what you think of the Suzuki, or if you can think of anything that's better. See you next time.